Friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix Mom channel. So today I want to show you how you can replace the filter in your home. So I have two filters in my home. So I'm gonna replace this. First, you have to know where is your filter in your home. So my filter is, one of them is here. It's 16 by 20 by 1, and another one is upstairs. So because I have a 2-story. So as you see, this is the second one, 20 by 25 by 1. So you have to know where is your return, AC return in your home first. See what size of filter you have to order. So I open this one. As you see, it's dirty. You have to follow the arrow. As you see, this arrow, so all the filter, they have the airflow. So it means the air is going that way and it's gonna come off the other side. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix the problem around your home. Have a great day.